Hey book lovers, you want to read more, but somehow life always gets in the way and you are not able to make reading routine. It sounds familiar to you. The secret is not more time. It's a reading routine that actually works for you. Let's build it together step by step. How to build a reading routine that works for you. Let's start with step 1. Find your why. Why you want to read. Before you set up a routine, ask yourself, why do you want to read more? Some common reasons I am giving you, like you want to read to learn something new, to escape into good story, to reduce screen time, to build a habit for personal growth. What is the pro tip here? If you are clear on why you want to read, it's easier to stick into a routine. Step 2. Choose your best reading time. When do you have time? Choose according to your time preference. Morning, start your day with a chapter. Or lunch break, just sneak a few pages. Or evening, wind down with a book instead of scrolling. Or before bed, a relaxing way to end the day. Pro tip, even 10 to 15 minutes a day adds up to dozen of books a year. Step 3. Set a realistic goals. Let's make sure your routine is something that actually you can stick with it. Like read 10 pages a day or 10 minutes in a day. Or just set a goal like one book per month. You can set any things as per your preferences. Pro tip, a small habit is better than an unrealistic one. Consistency is the key. Nothing is better than something. If you are reading for 5 minutes or if you are just reading 5 pages, that will also compound over the year. Step 4. Create a reading friendly environment. Where you read matters just as much as when you read. Optimize your space. Find a quiet and comfortable spot in your home. Keep your book easily accessible. Use good lighting for eye comfort. Make it cozy. If your book is always within your reach, you will reach more often. Step 5. Reduce distraction. It's hard to focus when your phone keep buzzing. Let's fix that. How to stay focused? Put your phone on silent. Use an e-reader with no notification. Try noise cancellation headphones. Read in shorts, focused first. Example, 15 minutes session. Likewise, you can read. Pro tip, treat reading like an appointment. Schedule it and stick to it. Let's move to step 6. Make it fun and rewarding. A routine works best when it feels good to follow it. What is the ways to make reading enjoyable? Read what excites you. No pressure to read serious book. Whatever you enjoy, just read those books. Join our reading challenges like Goodreads, Storygraph, Instagram. Many places there will be challenges. Track your progress. Seeing your streak grow is motivating. Reward yourself. A new book, a new treat or extra reading time. Pro tip, the best reading routine is one that makes you excited to pick up a book. Let's move to step 7. Stay flexible and adjust as needed. Some days life happens and that's okay. How to stay consistent without pressure? If you skip a day, don't stress. Just start again tomorrow. Adjust your routine if it's not working. Morning not working, try evening. Evening not working, try before bed. Remember, even a little reader is better than none. Pro tip, reading should feel like a joy, not a chore. What we have learned from this video, make reading a habit for life. The best reading routine is one that fits seamlessly into your life. Start small, make it enjoyable and adjust as needed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more bookish content. See you in the next video. Happy reading! Enjoy reading and start making it habit for your life.